Hello everyone and welcome. In this short we're going to be looking at derelict gear, chasing after where these nets are located in Puget Sound. However, in this particular short I came across the neatest thing. A wolf eel sitting in 40 feet of water, a big rocky area, lots of kelp, and look here. So now, all I have to do is try and manipulate the camera so I don't piss him off. I heard that if they turn color, like their color red, oh, they're on the warpath. But right now, he looks good. He's just kind of like hanging out under these rocks in this kelp. And I won't try to get him upset, but what a shot, huh? If you've just joined us for the first time, welcome to TMKey Film, and jump over to Dock Seas under Puget Sound for more underwater action like you're seeing here. Now, we don't use divers. This is with the diver drone, and we use this to find derelict gear, nets, lost crab pots, shrimp pots, and occasionally we get to see a shot like this with a wolf eel. And you know, they're fewer and fewer in Puget Sound. They like the kelp areas. They like about that 40, 50, 30, 60 foot of water in that area. And they're just smooth and silky swimmers, aren't they? Estimated length, I would say 6 to 8 feet. Something along those lines. And I'm not sure if it's male or female. But this was a fun shot, and I want to thank everybody for taking the time and chasing after the wolf eel. Bye-bye, everyone.